What's up everybody, it's your girl Coco Nicole and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And in today's video I'm going to be doing this simple feed in straight to the back braids right here. This is actually my first time doing this style and I think that it came out pretty nice. I'm pretty content with it. And if you're new here, I just want to introduce myself briefly. My name is Coco Nicole. I do makeup videos, I do try on hauls, I do vlogs, I do hair videos, I do some of everything. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, go ahead to join the team, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I put out new content. But I feel like this is a really cute, simple style. It's perfect for vacation, for summer, for working out, pretty much all times of the year if you wish. This style, you do need to know how to do French braids. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. I have my hair already sectioned out in front of me over here, and I got all of my tools here, so I'm just going to be walking you guys through. I'm looking crazy right now. I got my natural hair out, and I actually flat ironed my hair last night, believe it or not, and it just frizzed back up. But anyway, I am about to get started. I don't know how many I want to do. I'm thinking maybe like 10 because my hair is really thick. I don't want to make them too small, or I think what I want to say is I don't want to make them too big because my hair is real thick and I just don't feel like they're gonna last. So I may be putting on my glasses because your girl show is blind. I cannot see worth of nothing. So I am about to I follow like a couple of braiders on YouTube. They kind of stress like pre-parting. I might pre-part. I don't know if I do like an even number of braids. Maybe I'll part this section into two. Then I have two sections, and then I guess do two braids. But if I do 5, it's gonna be weird. But anyway, I'm putting the glasses on. Hope it's not a weird glare. But I'm going to try to do a little bit of parting. Using the tail part of the rat tail comb to make my parts. And I will make them a little bit like more crispy after I get them sectioned out. I'm gonna try to make them more crispy after I get them sectioned out. So let me clip this part and take a look. Okay, that's not really bad. Can y'all see it? So I'm gonna be using my style booster. I think that this is an edge control, but I need that extra hold. This is the maximum hold one. I know what I need. I need one of those little wristbands where you can put like your edge control on. But I'm about to just use the back of my hand. So I'm gonna put some on my part so I can try to clean it up a little bit, I guess. I got like 3 mirrors around me, y'all, plus the handheld mirror. Okay, so we about to roll with this. So I am about to get started with my first braid. About to apply some more of that Style Factor edge control. And I'm gonna use my little edge brush to brush it in and to smooth it.
1 hour later.
So I went ahead and did the first half off camera. I had to concentrate or whatever. I lost a couple nails. And I'm pretty content with how it looks so far. I feel like the back I could have made a little bit tighter. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys like how I braided it and everything. And I'm going to go ahead and section it off like I did the first time. Hey y'all, so this is me jumping in voiceover style. I just wanted to talk through some of these parts. So I'm actually like braiding my hair. This is like the last braid, but I want to talk through this. So I'm actually attempting to do the stitching method where I'm using my ring finger to make those horizontal lines in my hair. And I'm actually going to be feeding in some hair, so I just wanted to jump in and talk through that particular part. And I'm actually going to be doing it maybe like 3 times, so you guys will see me like feed in the hair like 3 times. And so I'm actually about to reach for some hair right now. And I'm placing it right in between my index finger and my thumb. The hair was kind of tangling or whatever. I tell you, I was going through it with this braiding hair, y'all. But anyway, I put it in between my index finger and my thumb. And then I'm just continuing to braid. And then the hair, it just naturally just falls into place. You don't have to do anything else. That's all you have to do. And then here it is a little bit closer. I'm putting it in between my index finger and my thumb. And then I'm just continuing to cross over and do my cornrows. That hair, y'all, it was doing the most. And here it is one more time. I'm doing the feed in process. And I didn't feed in the hair until maybe like the halfway point of the braid, because I found that it's a little bit easier that way. Feed in the hair when you're like halfway done with your cornrow. That's what I did. And then what I'm actually doing here is I'm using some weaving thread to thread in between like the back of my cornrows, because I don't like that gappy look, if you know what I mean. So I'm just threading that through like the middle part of the braids, and then I'm going to tighten it. And then I'm actually going to come in later on in the video, and I'm going to show you guys like how it looks. Like it's going to look better than that at the end. Hey y'all, so it's actually the very next day. It was like late when I had finished doing my braids, so I said let me go ahead and do like the finishing touches tomorrow. So now I'm about to dip my ends. I got my Detroit Pistons cup. What up though? So I'm dipping the ends to seal them, to keep them from unraveling, and to kind of like straighten out the yaki texture. So yesterday I had threaded the back to make it like not look as like gappy, but today I had made the gaps a little bit tighter, so I felt like it was still kind of loose. So I had added a little bit more thread in between the braids to keep the braids together, to keep them from gapping. And I'm still able to pull them over my shoulder even after I had did that. So last but certainly not least, I need to tighten up these edges right quick. So I'm going in with that same edge factor, and I am about to style my edges. And it took me maybe like 3 hours to complete this style, but it probably wouldn't have taken me this long if I wasn't recording. Only thing about this style is, your face is completely bare. So you have no bangs, no side part, no nothing. It's just face and braids going to the back. So you have to keep that in mind, Gotta make sure that your face is on fleek or whatever. Do people even still say that? But anyway, I really like it. I probably will do it again. So anyway, let me know what you guys thought about this tutorial. Let me know if you guys plan on doing this on yourself or if this video helped. I hope that it did. And until next time, y'all, take care.